Komishoni ya kuhurana na ungumania guku bururi-ini EACC ni cereire makiria ma mĩciĩ 8 ya MCAs kaunti-ini ya Embu makihitana na MCA aria makuruhanitio na uheani wa kandarathi mugaru na watho.
We are here because of allegations that some county politicians, the MCAs and some members of the county government have been engaging in conflict of interest in that some contracts have been awarded to them and also there is abuse of office.
Kuringana na murugamiriri wa commission ino gitaro-ini gia Central Japheth Baitharu, MC atatu nginyagia riu nio marathuthurio hamwe na aruti wira a bunge ino kuria makiria ma kambuni 11 cikuruhanitio na kuheo kandarathi ici.
11 companies belonging to officials of some county government officers and some MCAs. We have done raids in 8 homes of various county assembly members. We've done a few for county government officers.
Kurerikana makiria ma ciringi milioni 95 nicio cikuruhanitio na kandarathi ino.
Our preliminary findings is that the officials had used companies which they have beneficial interest to obtain tenders from the county.
Gukiri uguo, Baitharu akiuga ni marikitie kungania fairo na maratathi maria marateithiriria gutabania uthuthuria Baranginyo. Akiuga kuri na unyitaniri mwega gatagati ka maabitha aya na thirikari ya county ya Embu.
So far we have collected some documents that are pointing us towards that direction, and in the due course they will be able to inform further action, but we cannot say much at this time. It's very preliminary.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Ikua Owaboshi.